Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video we are gonna talk about Grammarly. Grammarly, some conservation just are not easy. Find the words to express yourself clearly. Show the best version of yourself. Clear and confident writing, instant plagiarism report. Write free, mistake 100% free to try, eliminate grammar's error, plagiarism detections. So first of all, we have to look at the Grammarly logo. Here is the Grammarly company, and Grammarly is a Ukraine original American headquarter cross-platform cloud-based writing system that reviews spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, engagement, and delivers mistake. It uses international artificial intelligence to identify, search for an appropriate replacement for the mistakes. So its headquarters is in California, USA. So first of all, if we look down at the premium content, that's Grammarly free online writing assistant. Now available on mobile. You can also download the application from Play Store. So Grammarly helps you make write free mistakes in Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and any other app you use, even in text messages. Grammarly Check, it comprehensive writing tool that helps you write clear. Sign in, log into your Grammarly and start something amazing. Basic suggestions include in premium spelling. Prices and plans, Grammarly Premium inbuilt for an individual to improve their skills. So if we go look down and we can check Grammarly free, our free offering equips you to spot fixed misspelled words. So if we look at this paragraph, here we can easily find out that Grammarly is basically used to pronounce and punctuations mistake, and Grammarly Premium does not allow the whole lot more in all services of taking writing from the good to great. So why you should not use Grammarly? Grammarly won't recognize technical language. From actualization to temporalize, technology language will be used throughout your thesis. Only expert proofreader will be able to know when you are using the wrong word and when you are using the technical language. Okay. So 5 reasons why I shouldn't use Grammarly proofread a PhD. So is it safe to have a Grammarly for students? Yeah, many of students are using Grammarly now. So there are also app of Grammarly. So edit and correct your Grammarly spelling, punctuation, and more with your spelling writing assistant. Grammarly checks and edit the Grammarly keyboard. So if I open these pictures, you can clearly visible that how does Grammarly look like. So here is the Grammarly icon, which is basically Grammarly picture. So I'm going to download it. Okay. Save images. I'm going to save it and just saved. Okay. So there are a lot of many more pictures of Grammarly, but we should go back to Google and search Grammarly. I typed mistakenly, so Google sorted it out. It is automated grammar checker, free writing assistant, plagiarism detections, and there are a lot of many more. So Grammarly is a writing assistant that offers you specific suggestions to help you in improving your writing. So this is what we are looking for. Edit and correct your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and more with your personal writing assistant, grammar checker, and editing the Grammarly keyboard and ready. So we can check it out. So here we go. This is what basically the Grammarly is. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you enjoyed, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.